Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to another day in my life and welcome back to this video. In this video, it's not going to be long, alright? So if you're new to this YouTube channel, my name is Merlin and I document my journey right here on this YouTube channel. I share my wins, losses and everything specifically on this YouTube channel. So today is the 7th day of January and it's Wednesday 2026. So I'm going to be showing you guys the trades I took, but before I do that, I've taken total of, let me carry my journal. I've taken a total of, I've taken a total of 10 trades and I lost 4. I had one break even and I won 2, and yet one is yet to play out. Alright, so I've taken a total of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, okay, 8 trades. I've taken a total of 8 trades. I lost 1 2 3 4, I lost 4, okay, I lost 5, I won 2 and 1 break even, but I'm still in a little bit up in profit. Alright, so I'm just going to show you guys the trades I'm currently at and also the progress of the account. Alright, so I'm just going to switch my camera, so please don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notification bell. Okay, I would have record with my laptop, but the recorder, it's not good. This is BTC trade and I'm currently looking for buys on BTC. Alright, before we go there, let me show you guys my account on Fiverr. As you can see, yesterday I was a drawdown of $111, but I hit take profit yesterday and I'm just minus $775. So right here you can see my equity curve. My equity curve is still down and it's now going up. Alright, so this is the account. Let me show you guys the trade that I got and take profit hit. I took a trade on gold yesterday and it was a nice one. Right here. This was the first trade and this was the second trade. Alright, I reduced my risk. If I was risking the initial 1%, I should be up at break even and even profit, but I reduced my risks because I don't want to blow the account. I'm not on this trade, but I'm looking at it. I'm also looking to buy gold at this point. Let me show you guys the other trades I'm currently at. I'm currently buying Euro card. I shared it with you guys. So I'm buying Euro card, but Euro card is moving down. So this is it. I'm buying Euro card. I'm also on a trade on Euro USD. I'm on a trade on Euro USD right here, but it's currently in a little drawdown. So this is it. It's currently on a little drawdown. So I think I'm also on a trade on card JPY. All these trades, I've not written them down because they haven't played out fully yet, but once they hit either take profit or stop loss, I'm going to record it. So this is Euro card and it's running in a little profit. So that's all the those are all the trades I'm currently at. And if BTC should give me what I want, I should be up in massive profit. Alright, so these are all the trades I'm currently at. So yeah, those are all the trades I'm currently at. I don't know, I'm kind of feeling a little bit demotivated, but I know sometimes are like that, some days are like that, but we keep pushing and we keep moving forward. It's always going to come hard times and all of that, but yeah, please, if you're new to this YouTube channel, do well to hit that subscribe button and turn on post notification bell. Help me grow this YouTube channel. And if you're looking for trade signals, you want to follow my exact trade I took, you can check the link in the description or check the link on my bio to join my Telegram channel. Alright, it's free. I share my trades right on that Telegram channel. I share everything right on that Telegram channel. Do it to check it out. Alright, and again, if you are a new beginner trader just like me, don't give up. Just keep believing in God and keep practicing very hard, very hard. And I always recommend you have off time the chat. You can have a hobby that will keep you busy, because me, I love going to the gym, and that is what have been keeping me a little bit motivated and busy away from the chat, because for almost quite some time now I've not been seeing trades frequently, which is good, but I always have time out of the chat, because if I don't have time out of the chat, I'll always want to execute, which will lead to maybe overtrading and blowing of the account. So yeah, this will be the end of today's vlog. Today's vlog is not going to be long. It's not even long at all. So please do well to hit that subscribe button and turn on post notification bell. I've already told you guys, this year is definitely going to be it's going to be a prosperous and payout new year. Alright, so just stay locked in with God, believe in God, believe in yourself, keep practicing hard. And I'm also thinking of coming up with a challenge series. I'm still looking at that also, that I'll be hosting a challenge series just like that, but I'm still looking at it. Once I come up with a conclusion, I will let you guys know. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notification, and thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.